Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Yamaha V-Star 950. This V-twin cruiser just arrived with only 22,000 miles. It's got a really cool batwing fairing. You can take that off real quick and easy. Engine guards, floorboards, an awesome sounding Cobra exhaust, Corbin saddle, really cool matte black finish. Come on by, make your middleweight V-twin cruiser dreams come true with this belt drive V-Star 950 for just $49.99. Brand new tires. This one is good to go. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.